everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last month and how the price of silver can move in the May of 2024. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver has already made a half around $29.755 because it has moved out of a zone after 2021. Okay, as soon as the dollar index started hitting upside, we have seen the price of silver has come down. I'll explain you the dollar index also. Okay, but there is a continuous upside we have seen in the price of silver, and once started going again above a level of 26.9, we will see there will be an upside again, and then a further high we can see towards a level of around 27, 28, and then a further upside. Okay, so before I move ahead and explaining where the price of silver can move in the month of May 2024, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work. And a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Suppose if the price sustains this level, chances are high it can move towards a level of $26.951. And if the price started going above that particular level, chances of going towards 27.480 will be there. Okay, and once the price started sustaining over that particular level, a level of around 27,480, then it can touch a level of 27.897, and from there a chance of going towards a level of around 28.567 we can see. Okay, and suppose if the price keeps sustaining over level of 28.567, because that level is already being tested, so chances of touching that level we can see, and then it can touch a level of around 29. It can cross a level of 29 also. Again I repeat, suppose if the price sustains this level, chances are very high it can touch a level of around $26.8, and from there a probability of touching a level of around 27.480. Once the price started going above that particular level, we can see it will go towards $27.958, and from there a level of 28.567. If the price keep moving above that particular level, chances of touching a level of 28.867 we can see, and from there a probability of touching 28.989. And touch a level of around 29.9, because this is the half the zone which has already been weak, so chances of going further high we can see. Okay, but what this pattern will support, if the price of dollar index started going down, then this particular pattern will support most of it, because see, they are inversely related and other factors are also responsible, but chances will be high if the price of dollar index started going down, we can see there will be a probability the silver can go higher. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, suppose if the dollar index started going above level of 106 and higher, now it has come down, but chances are high if the price sustains this level, we can see the price can move further low. Okay, and once started going below a level of 105.5, then we can see there will be further fall in the price of dollar index, then we can see there will be rise in the price of silver. Okay, now as I've already explained you, market is always uncertain, so always try to set your asset, that will save your capital. See, if you are beginning on the trade, always try to set your asset. Once you are in profit, always try to trail your profit, that will save your profit. These two things you have to do. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards the level of $26.094 if the price didn't sustain, and that's a strong support. If that level move further down, then we can see a level of 25.925. Once the price started going below that level, we will see a level of 24.992, and then if the price keep moving, and if the price keep moving that level, we can see a level of 24.7. Once the price started going below that particular zone, chances of touching a level of $24 we can see, and if the price keep falling below that particular level, chances of touching a level of around $23.226 will be there. Okay, suppose if the price started falling below 23.226, and then a further downfall we can see towards the level of around $23.186, and from there it will move below a level of $23. Again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of 26.206, and from there a level of 24 below a level of 26, and then a probability of touching a level of 25.54. If the price started going below this level, we can see it will fall further low below a level of around 25.2, and then it will move below level 25. Chances of touching a level of around 24.93 it will be there, and from there a probability of going below a level of around 24.145. As soon as the price started going below this level, a further downfall we can see, and it can go below a level of 24 and can touch a level of 23.681, and then further low. Keep that in mind that it will move in this zone as soon as it started going below a level of 26. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or given the mail ID is also in the description. Keep that in mind that once it goes below a level of around 22.486, then only we can see a further fall. But if it started going over level 26.206, then a further upside we can see. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.